Welcome to AffairsCloud. My name is Vikas Rana. We are one-stop solution for current affairs. You can find Crack Current Affairs course on our application exclusively for current affairs, where you will get daily, weekly, monthly content on regular basis. Use the code Vikas10 and get 10% additional discount while purchasing the course. Also, students, follow us on Telegram and Instagram. The link for the same are mentioned in our description. This video has both English and Hindi. The first part is English and second part is Hindi. Timestamps are mentioned in the description below. Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all good. Students, this is a single topic wise video. Here students, we are talking about a high altitude long trek that was a all women expedition. The name of the expedition is Aparajita Parangla 2026. What does this Parangla is? La basically means a pass. I repeat, take a note. What is Parangla? La means pass. Right? So, this was a pass. The name is Aparajita. Correct? Take a note of this. This is in the Himalayan region. Right? And it is connecting a trade route that is connecting Spiti Valley in Himachal Pradesh with Ladakh. So, this was an all-women expedition to Aparajita. The name is Aparajita to Parangla. Correct? This is almost 5600 meters in the above the sea region in the Himalayan region. Now, Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has flagged off this All India Girls High Altitude Long Trek by the name Aparajita Parangla 2026. This is a flagship adventure activity of the National Cadet Corps in New Delhi. The flag off ceremony was attended by Lieutenant General Virendra Vats, the Director General of NCC, along with senior officials from NCC and Ministry of Defence. Here you can see in the picture, this is a blurred picture little bit students, Rajnath Singh and various officials, and in the back you can see all the NCC candidates, right, who took part in this trek. This was an all women expedition. This was a 250 kilometer long expedition. Over 30 days it took. And here the traverse was to Parangla Pass, connecting Spiti Valley of Himachal Pradesh with Changthang region of Ladakh, and aims to provide women empowerment, leadership, endurance, self-confidence and national integration among the youth decades. And all of them were women. Right? 28 NCC girl cadets took part in this trek. All of them with an average age of 19 years. The youngest was 16.5 years, supported by officers, medical staff and instructors. It covered Himalayan terrain through Kibber, Dumla, Thaltak, Bojrang, Parangla Pass, Nobru, Sumdo and many more. Also, the expedition highlighted Nari Shakti and reflects the spirit of Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat through diverse participation. So, this was a pass, this was a trek conducted by NCC, National Cadet Corps. 28 girls took part in this. The trek was of 250 kilometers. It was a 30-day long expedition, and the youngest girl that took part in this was of 16.5 years of age. Right? So this was our topic. Do take notes from this, and on daily basis students, I'll make sure to provide such important single topic wise videos for you all, so that it becomes easy for you to grasp the content, and it can be a handy video for you all. If you have 5 to 10 minutes, just watch these videos right in one go, and they will provide tremendous knowledge to you all. That's all for the day. Thank you and have a nice day.